Hi everyone, today we are going to present our product called EZMarking. We are from UiTM Sarawak. For this project, our team members are Nurfazlina Haris, Sheila Faizura Nik Fauzi, and Abdul Azim Mahda. Now let's get started. In classrooms around the world, educators face a common struggle: grading. It's time-consuming, prone to errors, and often leaves little room for meaningful feedback. Whether you're grading complex projects or assignments, the process can be overwhelming. But what if there is a way to change all that? Introducing EZMarking, a revolutionary grading tool designed to make assessments faster, more accurate, and far less stressful for educators. EZMarking tackles the challenge of fractional grading with simplicity and precision. With just one tap, educators can input fractional grades like 0.25, 0.5, or minus 0.25, eliminating the need for manual calculations or mental math. This intuitive design ensures accurate, consistent evaluations every time, reducing the cognitive load on teachers and minimizing human error. Whether it's project-based learning, complex assessments, or large cohorts of students, EZMarking streamlines the entire grading process, making it quicker and more reliable. EZMarking was built with ease of use in mind. The interface features large color-coded buttons that are easy to read and press, even for educators with little tech experience. And when mistakes happen or adjustments are needed, the reset function lets you quickly clear all inputs and start over. No hassle, no stress. The app's design ensures that educators can get back to grading instantly without any delays or complications. Speaking of speed, EZMarking is optimized for performance, with a blazing fast startup time of just 413 milliseconds. In high-pressure situations, like during final exams or project evaluations, time is everything. EZMarking helps educators work quickly, giving them more time to focus on what matters most, providing detailed feedback that enhances students' learning. The impact of EZMarking goes beyond speed. It brings fairness and transparency to grading. Traditional grading systems, especially when using fractional marks, often rely on manual calculations that can lead to rounding errors, discrepancies, and inconsistencies. EZMarking removes these issues by ensuring that every student is graded on the exact points they earn, not a rounded figure that can distort their performance. Whether a student earned a 0.25 or a 1.75, EZMarking ensures that every grade is recorded and calculated with pinpoint precision. Imagine the time savings for educators. No more flipping between pages of calculations, no more recalculating after every input, and no more guessing if the math adds up correctly. Instead, educators can now focus on what truly matters: engaging with students. With more time to prepare lessons, mentor students, and provide thoughtful feedback, teachers can create a richer and more rewarding learning experience. In today's fast-paced educational environment, technology isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. With the demands on educators constantly increasing, tools like EZMarking are essential in helping them stay ahead. EZMarking helps educators save valuable time, enhance grading accuracy, and increase efficiency, all while fostering a fairer and more transparent evaluation process. Join us in shaping the future of education. Say goodbye to outdated grading methods that waste time and create confusion. Say hello to EZMarking, the smarter, more efficient way to grade. By reducing errors, streamlining workflows, and promoting fairness, EZMarking empowers educators to provide better and more meaningful assessments. And here is the copyright number for our product. EZMarking, where precision meets progress in education. And with all that being said, thank you for listening.